How to manage emails on Square. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to manage the email notification of your Square account or SquareUp account. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. This is going to be a necessary step to set up the email so you're going to be well organized, well notified, and also well managing. So we are going to head over to squareup.com, sign in for an account, and then here we have the dashboard. From here, we're going to head over the left side of the screen and we're going to choose setting. Now, from the setting, we're going to head over the account and also the settings. Now, we're going to head over the notification. We have invoices, disputes, and etc. So basically, we're going to have the account and we're going to find all of the email notification. So here we're going to click on change account email. So you can go ahead and click on change account email to change your email address, which is going to be this. So you're going to see or receive in and outs and etc. for each one of the emails. And also you can go ahead and select these transactions or these summaries. So for example, we have summary email, daily sales summary, monthly and annual sales summary. As you can see, you can go ahead and receive them or not receiving them. You can add also additional receipts or recipients if you need it, of course. You can send out the product or feature emails. For example, here we have those. You can go ahead and have them here. You can go ahead and put the emails that you are going to receive from Square. And finally, the transactional emails. For example, per payment, you're going to receive an email after every completed transaction, per refund, per transfer, and then you're going to save them. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.